Are college basketball's human polls truly fair? Imagine trying to judge the best team in college basketball with hundreds of different opinions. That's what human polls like the Associated Press poll and the USA Today Coaches poll do every week. These polls are made by sports writers and coaches who vote on which teams are the strongest. But are these votes always fair? That's what we're here to find out. Human polls relying on personal opinions. Some voters look at win-loss records, while others focus on the strength of the team's schedules or recent wins and losses. This means each voter might have a different way of deciding who is better. For example, a team from a big conference might get more votes than a similar team from a smaller conference just because of reputation. This is called conference bias and can make the rankings seem unfair. Another problem is that human polls don't change quickly. If a team starts the season strong but then loses a few games, it might stay high in the rankings for weeks. Meanwhile, a team that improves fast might not get the recognition it deserves right away. This lag can affect how fans, media, and even the NCAA Tournament Selection Committee see the teams. Some polls try to fix these issues. For example, the human poll asks voters to compare teams directly instead of ranking them from 1 to 362. This way, voters compare teams head-to-head, which can reduce reputation bias. But even this method isn't perfect. Voters still relying on their perceptions and the information they have, which can be biased or incomplete. When it comes to ranking top programs, these polls shape how programs are viewed over time. Teams that stay at the top often get more attention, better recruits, and higher seeds in the NCAA tournament. But this can create a cycle where well-known programs stay on top because of their reputation, even if other teams are performing just as well or better. In the end, these polls are important but not flawless. They are influenced by personal opinions, conference bias, and slow reactions to changes in team performance. They should be used alongside other tools like computer rankings and advanced statistics to get a clearer picture of team strength. So, while they help tell the story of college basketball, they aren't always perfectly fair or accurate.